these on and then
I think this one. Maybe this strand doesn't work. I don't know.
Huh? But it's on the end of one. That's weird. Maybe we can't just cut it off.
You can just tuck it in the back.
Yeah, we could.
Where's your bus, Eli? Where's your bus?
These, which I think we should just plug into that same thing in the bottom down there.
What kind of cord does it have? Can we plug into this one?
Well, if that thing's out,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
This thing, yeah, this thing has
because that has an extra.
it's got one on this
Yeah,
side too.
here you go.
Why not just plug it in fresh then?
And what do you mean fresh?
Like in the wall.
That way we can unplug one thing at night and be done.
Ooh, those are pretty, aren't they?
Ooh, look, Eli,
How
look.
many of these you got?
Look at the colored lights.
Spread these out.
What's that?
Can you just look at them for a minute?
Yeah, these get warm.
Look how pretty those are. Look at those. Wow.
So we gotta kind of go.
Yeah, you're starting too high.
Starting too high. It's not very long. Okay, Eli.
Yeah.
Well, it's just gonna have to be like one ribbon around the tree.
Yeah.
That's
Right.
Is the yeah, you're around that side. Thanks, John.
And again, once we get them on there, we can play with them. Oh, watch your snoot there, buddy. Hi.
Like this here.
No.
Yeah.
Why don't you go around? You go around the other side.
Yeah.
Here you go.
I think we got one out here already. We got two out.
He is such a ham. He knows that's a camera.
Chinese.
Is that a tree? Tree?
Do you think they make them anywhere but
Alright, let's check that out.
Tree?
There we go.
yeah. We can
Alright, so now.
reconnoiter. There
See
we
if
go.
we can get some colorful ones at the top too.
Yeah, we'll try to. Hey, Cookie, huh?
Is that good, Carmen?
Oh, you know what? I think some of them just aren't.
Some of them blink?
No, I just don't think they're screwed in.
Oh, don't squeeze, don't squeeze.
Yeah, you don't want to do that, buddy. Yeah, if you see one of the colored ones out, they're not screwed in tight.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Well, except for this one, but it's in the back, so.
Aren't those pretty, Eli? Here, I'll look at those right here.
Alright, I think I'm gonna run out. I'm gonna go tonight and get one of those guards. Otherwise.
We can go first thing in the morning.